I'm Christopher Robinson, and I am the software and game development Greek. I'm showing Cat Game Heavy Machinery. It's kind of a sumo wrestling construction vehicle versus construction vehicle fighting game. And the idea is you're in this big vehicle trying to push the other player off the edge. I'm using Unity and C# for scripting. What I did with this project that actually helped me a ton was I made a list. I would get kind of sidetracked and I'd look back at that list and I immediately know, okay, that's my next step. I'm going to start working on that. Any project that I work on from now on, I'm going to try to make a checklist of things I need to do to get to the end goal. I want to actually see my final vision in it, which is having multiple vehicles, having it feel really nice for the player, and having multiple players be able to get together and laugh and have fun playing it. So I'm planning on taking it and working on it during this month-long break that we have.